Da kispangut Nongialehkai kari India ki batbit kinwan bane shimbanta haga table tennis ha Shillong ye kabala tip kum ga senior national table tennis championship ka bapra pulai ye ka on sedang nadu ka singin kong kata haga khat pra tarik ubana yayong hajar ar ye thu kinong peniaj ha kilat pathai kubor hanong ba Shillong ya kene Kelempung Table Tennis Tournament on Pelongha Sports Authority of India's Indoor Training Center kabadon ha North Eastern Hill University campus ha kabagi Nongialehkai batbit kinwan bani shimbanta kum ka Manika Batra ka Satian Gana Nasi Karan ka Sutirtha Mukherjee ka Achanta Sarat Kamal bat kiwe ka Jylla Meghalaya ka don hadu khat sangut ki Nongialehkai ban Lehkai ki bakuntuk ru ya ka medalist Tanushri Das Gupta ka bayo ya ka North East Olympic 2018 gold medalist ye thu ki nongkit kam ka MTTA lengba vice president ban chairman jang ka competitions organizing committee Ubrus P Marang.
In this tournament we'll be having 39 teams and we'll be having about sorry, it's 35 teams.
No, 39 men's teams.
39 men's teams and 35 women's teams. And we'll be having the participants about 600 in all. And all arrangements has been made for their accommodations. And these accommodations are spread all over the city. And then we have made all security arrangements as well. We have met the SP, we have met the DC. And in fact, they're taking up the matter on their own for the arrangements in terms of security as well as for traffic as well. And we have met the SP traffic. And what I can say is the response has been very good, and everyone has been very enthusiastic about this tournament. And all the Olympians, all the national players who represented India in teams abroad will be participating in this tournament. And after this tournament, we'll be having that is on the 26th, after the finals on the 25th, we'll be having a major event in Tura as well, which is as per the request of our Honorable Chief Minister. He wanted a kind of exhibition match in Tura. So we'll be having a match in Tura on the 26th. So the players will be going from here, about 4 national players, 2 men and 2 women, and they'll be playing in Tura on the 26th. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
I'd like to add one thing, that government is very supportive. All along, this kind of tournament cannot happen without the support of the government. It's a humongous task. And we're giving only less than 30 days to organize this. This was supposed to happen in 21st of January, and it was announced also. But due to sudden COVID surge, we have to cancel it. All over the country, tournaments are cancelled. And this tournament was specially, the government of India has approved beyond March 31st. This is any open to question you ask. Right until this morning, we were not able to complete the accommodation. 1 room, 2 rooms, and a lot of extra demands were there. Some press people also have been pressurizing, but we haven't taken any call. It was simply not possible. And stadium work is going on this morning. Early in the morning, 5 o'clock, the truck from Mirror has arrived with the 21 tables and arenas. Mat we have organized, but still working because